Good morning and welcome to today's episode of Gardener Gone Wild, or shall I say Gardener Gone Wild's farmyard. And here we have all the Addylings. They've been out and about for the last few days, so they're all good now. They love being outside. Hey Evie! And we have the Addylings, which is, we're just so cute. You might notice there's only 7 of them, unfortunately. The other day one disappeared, and we have a sneaking suspicion it was a rat had got it, which is really so sad. So we brought them out here, out the front yard where it's safer with their mum, but unfortunately the stress of it all, Addie started attacking our little yellow duckling who we've named Lemonade. So unfortunately we've had to separate Addie from the babies because we didn't want to separate the babies, and it wouldn't be fair for Lemonade to be brought up by his or herself. So we have them out here. They sleep with me in my bedroom at night, all nice and warm, so I get up all during the night to refill their hot water bottle to keep them warm. And so it's mid-morning now, and it's a bit warmer for them to be outside. So they've got their little house there, which they've done plenty of poos inside, which I'll clear up later. And so it's a bit sad, but unfortunately it can't be helped. So poor Addie is not very happy and is really missing her babies, but we're doing our best to keep her happy. Mr. Duck's doing a good job with that. He's quite a gentleman, really. He's missing the little babies too, but it's too dangerous for them out the back, and we don't want more ducklings being taken by rats. So that's the sad news, and also more sad news today. I've just had to take one of our chickens to the vets today to be put asleep. She hasn't been well, and yeah, she's just not very happy, so she's at the vets at the moment. I'm just waiting for a phone call to come and pick her up, and I've said my goodbyes. I've given her a feed this morning, not that she ate much. I've given her some fresh air and lots of cuddles before taking her to the vets. So sad news, and that was Rhubarb, also known as straight toe. So the sad morning. Well, it's a sad couple of days really, but it happens, it's life, I suppose. But we've got some happy little babies here, though noisy, and Evie and the Addylings have been quite interested in this lot, but they're too little to go mingling. Oh god, they're fighting over something. Oh, they're so beautiful. And look at little Lemonade with her or his little black tail. But they are darling little things, and noisy, but they love their hot water bottle, don't you babies? No, they are a lot of fun. So we'll keep this lot safe That is the main thing. Isn't it, babies? So, that's about the report for today. Hey, monsters! They are so beautiful. Yeah, look at those two. And here's the other lot. Hey monkeys, how are you? Hello Evie. Hey honey. Oh, this lot are so sweet too. They're all growing up. Look at them. All the wing feathers coming through. Now this is Smooth. This is Smoothie. Hello Smoothie. That's Snowflake. And this one over here is Silver D. Hey sweetheart. And let's go and track the others. And this is Biff. Biff is a bit of a bully. And here's Minnie. Hi Minnie. And there's Angelus. Hey Angelus with Snowflake. And of course here's Evie. Such a proud mummy, aren't you darling? Oh, hey babies. What a good lot you are. And there we have little Custard. Hey Custard. And her favourite spot before all the ducklings come over. Hey, she was a noisy sod this morning when I was trying to take Rhubarb off to the vets. This little monster was crowing. We so have to get her crowing on video because it is hilarious. She's actually incredibly loud. Hey, silly creature. And our other silly creatures. Hello silly creatures. Right, I better go and check on the little monsters again. They are so noisy. But they're very happy. Hi Noisies. Hi Noisies. Hello. Hello noisy things. So that's today's update. I hope you enjoyed relaxing, watching the little monsters. They're really enjoying their food. So until next time, stay wild about animals, stay wild about gardening, and stay wild about life in all its forms. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you again soon. I can't stop watching these little monsters. Alrighty, bye bye. So I'll leave you with all my geranium flowers. They've all just popped up. See, a lot more interesting than pelargoniums.